Good evening. A mysterious facility has been detected off Guadalupe Island, raising questions about its origins and purpose. New sonar scans show a massive geometric structure on the seafloor.
Experts say this facility does not belong to any human nation, and it seems it was active and cloaked for generations. But why stop cloaking now?
Seeing them for generations. It shows ignorance.
Copy. Weapon safe, track only. It's maneuvering. Wait. Lost lock.
Target just disappeared. Say again.
Combat, this is radar. Unknown contacts closing fast. Multiple.
Visual confirmation. Objects are right on top of us.
All stations, condition 1 Alpha. Scramble the birds. Keep them off the deck.
They're not showing aggression, but they're surrounding us.
More signatures coming in. Dozens.
They were here for a very long time. They're the gods.
Ocean Factory was waiting.
Waiting for what?
For them to return.